Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas137.
137. Okay, we actually got kind of a tricky problem today. We're actually doing a MOEMs problem. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Might have to give you a little bit of help on this. Tinky read 5 consecutive pages from her book. Well, first of all, do you know what consecutive means?
It means in a row.
In a row. So if we started with the number 5, what would be the next number?
6.
Okay, and if we started with the number 211, what would be the next number?
212.
Very good. High five. Bam. Okay. The page numbers added up to 110. What were the pages that she read? Okay, so how many pages did she read?
She read 5 consecutive pages from her book.
And they add up to 110. So actually, I don't think we've ever done a problem like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to call the first page X.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? First page is X. What's the next page? Okay, if they're consecutive, what's the number for the second page?
The number for the second page is X.
Yeah, X. So X is the number for the first page.
X plus 1.
X plus 1. Hey, great job. X plus 1. That's absolutely right. What about the third page?
The third page is X plus 2.
X plus 2. What about the fourth page?
X plus 3. And then X plus 4 for the fifth.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Now it says the page numbers added up to 110. Well, how do we add up these numbers? X plus 1 plus X plus 2 plus X plus 3 plus X plus 4. Do you know how to do that?
We gotta figure out what X is.
We will have to figure out what X is. But what we do know is X plus X plus 1 plus X plus 2 plus X plus 3 plus X plus 4 equals 110. Okay? So we have to figure out how we add this up. So how many X's do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's.
Okay, so 5 X's means you get 5X. So 5 times the number X. And what does 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 add up to?
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6. Is 10.
Okay, so we get 5X plus 10 equals 110. Oops. 110. So some number, 5X plus 10 equals 110. So what do you think 5X is before you add 10 to it? If you take away 10, what's 110 minus 10?
100.
100. So we have 5, some number times 5 equals 100. Okay, that's our big thing we have to figure out. Some number times 5 equals 100. What do you think? Do you know what 5 times 10 is?
5 times 10 is 50.
Right, so it's got to be bigger than 10.
10 times 10.
Well, but we have 5, right? 10 times 10 is 100. We're looking for a number that 5 times that number equals 100.
Oh.
Got to be bigger than 10. What would be a good number to try?
25 times 4 is equal.
Oh, that's good. So it's got to be bigger than 10. And because 25 times 4 is 100, it's got to be less than 25.
It's gotta be
So,
less.
what number do you want to try? Bigger than 10 and less than 25.
We could try 23.
Well, try something easier than 23. What's a nice easy number? A little bit less than 23.
A little bit easier.
What's a nice easy number? Like 10 was an easy number, 25 was an easy number. 23 is kind of a complicated number. What's a nice easy number that's a little bit less than 23?
20.
How about 20? Okay. Do you know what 120 is? 120 is?
120 is equal to 20.
2 20s is equal to?
40.
3 20s is equal to?
Is it 60?
4 20s is equal to?
80. 5 20s is equal to 100.
So x is what? 5 times what equals 100?
5x equals 20.
20. Hey. Okay, so the pages that she read in her book were 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24.
Mm-hmm.
How about that? Is that kind of a fun problem?
Mm-hmm.
That's a neat problem. That's a very hard problem. So I'm impressed that you could understand that one. Good job today, honey. Good job.